Hi. In this video, I'd like to share a new position I've taken, which is a 0 days to expiration called 0 DTE Butterfly on the SPX. Shortly after the market opened, I entered a call butterfly position at 4,500, 4,510, and 4,525, found for me by Ninjaspread. The target is essentially 4,510, which is slightly above the current market price. I believe that even if the market rallies, we won't go much further today, as there is a significant resistance level there. If we do go beyond this, we could potentially reach 4,520, but then the spread would need to be adjusted. It's actually quite easy to adjust a spread like this. I'll show you how to approach such a situation. To reduce the risk on the upside, I would need to roll the 4,520 and 4,525 options. I could currently do this for about 25 cents. The whole spread cost me 50 cents, and I'll show you a screenshot right away. The status of the order shows out because I actually wanted to enter a larger position, but only a part of the order got filled, as indicated by the blue filled, and then canceled. I subsequently canceled the order, as I didn't want to trade more contracts, so only a part of the original order was executed. The butterfly legs are 4,500, 4,510, and 4,525. This is essentially a 0 DTE options strategy for today. On a lower time frame, the interesting level is around 4,520, or rather 4,510. If the market breaks through this level, I thought it wouldn't go much higher than 4,500, which is a previous resistance level not visible on this chart. We'll find out during the day if my assumption was correct. We'll see what happens. I'll continue with updates throughout the day. Back again, it's now 9:21 p.m., about half an hour until market close. Here's what I've done with the position. I thought the market had moved nicely up to this point on the 4-hour chart. Since the market reached this level, and I thought there could be a pause here, I adjusted the position. I rolled the 4,500 leg to 4,505 and rolled down the 4,515 against 4,525, essentially narrowing the upper range and making this adjustment for $50 credits. So now, the whole position has transformed into an incredibly tight butterfly. The chance for a max profit is minimal and would only occur right at the end of the day, but I wanted to lock in some profit that had accumulated so far. Maybe it was a mistake, as the market could move to 4,510 at the last minute. Obviously, I can't predict the future, but if it does go to 4,510, that's not bad either. Meanwhile, during the day, I took several interesting screenshots that I'd like to show you, illustrating how the time value and profit of the position evolved. This images was taken at 4:09 p.m., not much profit shortly after opening the position. At 5:10 p.m., the market starts to rise slightly. This is also a 4-hour chart. Here, the risk graph shows that the butterfly price is 25 cents. Moving on to 6:49 p.m., the market is rising, and the butterfly cost is now 50 cents. At 7:01 p.m., it went up to 60 cents. The next screenshot is at 7:34 p.m., still at 60 cents, then 55 cents again. 60 cents at 8:11 p.m., nearing the level I set as a target. It also reached 70 cents, and even 85 cents for just a second, but it would have been nearly impossible to close the position at that price, I guess. Here, we were slightly higher than where I closed, at 80 cents and 95 cents for a moment, but I certainly wouldn't have been able to close at those prices. Now at 8:51 p.m., it's back to 60 cents. You can see how last-minute trades can change dramatically, as the previous screenshot showed 95 cents. But with a slight change in the price, it's now only 60 cents. That's the impact of time decay, especially in the final moments, even when the entire butterfly is out of the money. Essentially, these are the screenshots I captured throughout the day. Now my adjusted position has legs at 4,505, 4,510, and 4,515. Based on current prices, I could sell this for 25 cents, resulting in a $1.70 profit. But I'm curious to see if there will be a higher profit until market close. We'll see. This is a logical resistance level for the market to pause for a while, but we know the market isn't always logical. With such a trade, You could wait until the last minute, but I wanted to lock in some profit to at least cover the entry cost and commissions. So if everything goes wrong and I can't sell it at a higher price than now, there's still a $1.45 profit. I'll continue closer to the end of the day. Back again, it's now 9:54 p.m., only 6 minutes left until the market close, and I decided to sell the entire position. I didn't want to hold it until the last 5 minutes, so I managed to sell the adjusted butterfly for $1. This resulted in a final profit of $145. I'm showing the screenshot at 9:53 p.m., where the order was filled for exactly $100. Now the really exciting part is that I almost precisely hit the target price, and if I hadn't adjusted the position, the profit would be $357 right now. In reality, the whole thing came down to a 20-minute difference. Such is the power of the final moments. The SPX is currently at 4,513, however, it would have quickly gone against me. Now, only the original position is selected, without adjustments. I've already closed it, but I just wanted to show you what would have happened if I hadn't made any adjustments. The market had passed all the short legs, and the profit would have been either $166 or $210. It jumps all over the place. This is normal for a butterfly in the last minutes, which is why I didn't want to wait until the very end, as closing the position can be challenging. The current profits are fluctuating between $410, $320, and $417, all over the place. I think I could have maybe exited with a $300 profit, but certainly not $600, so these higher numbers are just illusory. There are still 5 minutes left. Regardless, I managed to beautifully hit the market level at the beginning of the day. I didn't think it would go past 4,510 after this reversal pattern appeared, but it did. I exited during the red candle and another green one followed. So in practice, it was a very, very nice trade. Currently, it's at 4,509, 4,510, so I almost precisely predicted where the SPX would expire. So, that's the end of it. A $145 profit. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for your attention. Bye.